Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be focusing on the positive impacts these changes are bringing to the UK, from simplifying the sponsor licensing process to protecting existing settled workers. We will look at the sponsor licensing process, relaxation of engagement by visitors, higher salary benefits for talents in the UK, and lots more. So make sure you watch till the end, so you do not miss all these juicy details. And for those that are new to the channel, it's offering time. Please like, share and subscribe to support the family, and be the first to be notified when the next video drops. Otherwise, let's get into it. Section 1. Simplifying the sponsor licensing process. The process of obtaining a sponsor license in the UK has been significantly simplified in recent years. This change has made it easier for UK employers to hire international talent, expanding their search to a global talent pool. The sponsor license application process involves filling out an online form and submitting it along with supporting documents. The processing time for a sponsor license application can take up to 8 weeks, but this can be expedited to 10 working days, with a priority service for an additional fee. The UK Visa and Immigration, UKVI, has improved the processing times for sponsorship applications, with 62.8% now being decided within 4 weeks, and the average time being 41.63 days. Once a sponsor license is granted, it is valid for 4 years. During this period, employers can issue certificates of sponsorship, COS, to skilled migrant workers. To maintain the license status, employers have to apply to renew their license before its expiry. It's crucial to ensure that all information in the Sponsor Management System, SMS, is accurate and up-to-date, and to continue following all compliance requirements to avoid future issues too. The number of sponsors on the Register of Licensed Sponsors has increased by around 28%, from Q4 2020 to Q4 2021. Indicating a surge in UK organizations applying for sponsor licenses. This increase is mirrored in the number of new sponsor license applications, which has more than doubled in the last 3 years. Section 2. UK visitors can now do certain work on their visa. The Permitted Paid Engagement, PPE, category, and permitted activities for visitors to the UK, allow certain individuals to enter the UK for short-term engagements, and undertake specific activities without the need for long-term immigration routes. Permitted Paid Engagement, PPE. The PPE category is designed for professionals who are invited to the UK because of their particular skills and expertise. This includes visiting examiners or assessors, designated air pilot examiners, qualified lawyers, arts, entertainment, or sporting professionals. Individuals in this category can stay for up to 1 month and must have a formal invitation from a UK-based organization or client. They are allowed to be paid for their engagement, but they cannot undertake activities outside their area of expertise, or engage in other paid work unrelated to their main job. Permitted activities for visitors. Visitors to the UK can engage in a range of activities without needing to switch to a work visa. These activities include attending meetings, conferences, seminars, or interviews, participating in cultural events, or festivals listed on the permit-free festival list, supporting artists, entertainers, or musicians as personal or technical staff or members of the production team, provided they are attending the same event. There are certain restrictions on these visas, and they cannot take employment, or fill a role within a UK-based organization, or establish or run a business as a self-employed person. Visitors must also be able to support themselves without recourse to public funds, and meet the cost of their return or onward journey. They must intend to leave the UK at the end of their visit. Section 3. Higher salary benefits from talents in the UK. The recent changes in the UK's immigration system have led to an increase in the minimum salary threshold for foreign skilled workers. This move is expected to attract a higher caliber of talent to the UK, which can have several positive effects on the economy and the job market. Attracting high-skilled workers. The increase in the salary threshold to £38,700 for skilled worker visas is designed to attract the best and brightest talents from around the world. By setting a higher salary bar, the UK is positioning itself as a competitive destination for top-tier professionals. Boosting compensation and recognition. In response to the competitive job market, more than half of UK employers are increasing compensation and implementing employee recognition programs to retain talent. Employers are also investing in learning and development, land, initiatives, which can enhance skills and improve performance, further contributing to the attractiveness of the UK as a place to work and grow professionally. Impact on salary trends. The fight for talent has driven higher pay increases across various sectors. Some workers may see pay rises as high as 6%, with the expected average rise being around 2%. The higher salary benefits can lead to an increase in average wages and living standards in the UK. Section 4. Protection for existing settled workers. The UK government's decision to increase the minimum salary threshold for skilled worker visas has raised concerns about the potential impact on existing settled workers. However, the government has put measures in place to protect these workers. The increase in the salary threshold, from £26,200 to £38,700, is a significant change. However, this change will not affect salaries paid to existing sponsored employees for now, and transitional arrangements will be in place until the introduction of new regulations in spring 2024. This means that existing settled workers who are currently sponsored will not see an immediate change in their salary requirements. The government's decision to remove the salary increase threshold for renewing visas is part of a larger strategy to control immigration and ensure that it does not undercut the salaries of British workers. The removal of the 20% going rate salary discount for shortage occupations, and the replacement of the shortage occupation list with a new skilled worker eligibility list, are also part of the changes. The Migration Advisory Committee will review the new list against the increased salary thresholds. This is intended to ensure that the salaries of settled workers in these roles are not undercut by overseas workers. In conclusion, while the new immigration rules have brought significant changes, they also present numerous opportunities. From simplifying the sponsor licensing process to attracting high-skilled workers, these changes are set to positively impact the UK's economy and society. Thank you for joining us in this discussion. Stay tuned for more updates on the UK's immigration system. Hold on a second, did you like the video? Do you have friends and family that will benefit from this information? Then please, share, subscribe and like to support the family. Shalom.